Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 8th algorithm video, and in this video we will be learning how to reverse a string. So we are given a string, for example geeks. Okay, then we initialize an empty string to store the reversed string. Okay, then I make a for loop for I in range length of string -1 -1 -1. Now let me explain to you this expression. As you know that the range function generates a sequence of indices. Now this part, what is the length of the string? It is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 minus 1 is 4, indicating that we would be starting from the fourth index. Indexing starts from 0 0 1 2 3 4, thereby indicating that the for loop will start from S. Okay, and it would end at 0. It will not include -1, and the step size is -1, signaling us that we would be reversing the string. Okay, then reverse string is equal to reverse string plus string of I. We would be concatenating the value of string with the reverse string. Okay, this string of I accesses the character in the original string. When this for loop is completed, we print the reversed string. Now as I click play, now you can see that the original string was geeks. Now it has been reversed to SKEEG. Now if I change, for example, the string again elephant, the reversed form of the original string would now be this. I hope you understood this algorithm, and I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.